Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you some amazing and beautiful designs of scrunchies, and these are the silk scrunchies you can use to knit your hair and you can wear on your formal day, your casual day. So there are so many different colors in silk, and you can customize these colors and designs for your customers, for your own self. So if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and let me know your favorite scrunchies in this video. So this will give me an idea, and also tell me the fabric, which quality of fabric you like the most, like cotton, net stand and silk, whatever you want to like to see. Just tell me in comment section and I will come up with that type of video in the next video. So do support me and follow for more. Thank you so much, and now enjoy the video. Have a good day.